Understanding pressure switch, an essential English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, pressure switch. This term is not just common in everyday language, but also holds significant importance in various technical fields. Whether you're an English learner, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about language, this video is for you. A pressure switch is a device that reacts to changes in pressure. In simpler terms, it's like a light switch that turns on or off, not by hand, but by pressure changes. This phrase is commonly used in fields like engineering, physics, and even in everyday situations. Let's dissect the term for a better understanding. Pressure refers to the force exerted by something, usually a gas or liquid. Switch, on the other hand, means a device for making and breaking the connection in an electric circuit. Combined, pressure switch implies a switch controlled by pressure. Imagine a water pump that turns off when a tank is full. That's a pressure switch in action. They are also found in air conditioners, refrigerators, and even in your car's brake system. Understanding this term helps you grasp how many modern devices function. Now, let's put it into practice. You can say, the air conditioner's pressure switch prevents it from overheating. This shows not just your vocabulary skills but also an understanding of practical applications. And that's all about pressure switch. We hope this video has illuminated this interesting phrase and its various uses in our daily lives. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but understanding the concepts behind them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.